Hey guys, well I know it's been a minute since I've done a video, but life is life. I got a little nice EDC pocket sharpener for my knife. The one thing I hate about when I'm at work and stuff all the time is I pull my knife out to either scrape something, cut something, and it's always dull. And yes, I work in a machine shop and I can go over to a stone and I can sharpen it, but it takes forever to actually sharpen it good. But for a quick pinch, I got this. It was sent to me off Amazon to review, and it works good. You got the carbide right here. Do a couple pulls through that. Go over to the ceramic side and hone it. Nice and sharp. Can't go wrong with that. Lightweight. Like I have a little mini stone that I used to carry, and I've actually broken two of them. And for what I need for work, for just a quick fast edge, this thing works perfect. And they go right on my keychain. And I don't have to worry about it, it's always there. And I don't have to worry about having a dull knife. I've sharpened razor blades with it even. Like I said, it's not like a perfect sharp, but it will make it so you can get the job done when you need to get the job done. Like I said, lightweight, compact, they're cheap. You can't go wrong. You really can't. I mean, if you have to deal with a knife or anything that needs to be sharp on a normal basis, it helps. Like I'll be working at trying to pull pieces of double-sided tape away when I'm putting stuff together, and when I'm setting up stuff at work, and you just can't quite grab that edge. And with a nice sharp knife, you can actually just flick away the edge of the material or the backing, and you can pull away the double-sided tape. So for me, it helps big time being able to keep a sharp knife with me at all times. You can probably tell I'm sick from the way this sounds too. I apologize for that, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Enjoy.